Here's a look at the E-mini S&P through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader. We always like to start off by examining the market using the market profile tool. So this was today's market profile and its corresponding volume profile. This is what occurred overnight, and this was the profile from yesterday with its volume profile. So going into yesterday, we had the big sell-off overnight. Market had a really nice rally yesterday, more or less continued that upward trend overnight and early in the morning as it got up to here, had a high, and then had a sell-off, especially later in the day. So we're looking in around the 54 area as support. And I don't really think, until it can hold below there, I think the market could still move higher. But that would be a critical level. Here's the market profiles using the regular trading hours only. And we had said around the 88 or so area is likely resistance. Well, that's basically where it got up to today. I think 88, 89 and change. So now as far as our trades were concerned on our software, we had several trades today, and we started out with a long trade. You can see it posted right here. So that trade worked out nicely. It hit both of our first and second objectives, and then stopped at a break even on the final partial on that. So a money maker there. Our next trade, as you can see here, that was identified was this short trade. There's the down arrow, so we got filled right in here, and it had a nice sell-off. That trade worked really well. It got a little gyration here, so on a very conservative estimate, we would have hit our first two objectives on that as well. Worst case scenario, a break even on the final 1/4 partial position on that. We then had another couple of trades that were actually long trades. You can see them right here. The next series, sorry, I erased that. So that was the first one, second one. Then we had two long trades here, and then we had a short trade here. The other short trades that were here were never filled, and so we had a very late short trade right here. If somebody was so inclined, we tend not to take them that late in the day, and that was a short down here at around 1064 and change. But this is our first trade here of the day. It worked out very nicely, reaching both of our objectives, and also the second trade did as well. The third trade had a nice bounce to it, and even the fourth trade. So first and second and third and fourth trades were all nice winners. However, unfortunately, we were stopped out on this trade here, which was the fifth trade of the day. That trade we were stopped out. It was a short trade, rallied a little bit too much for us on that before it continued the down move on the right side, but just a little too early on that particular one. So able to take out some good profit here today, which is good to see. And as I said, it looks like the 54 has probable support, and then resistance up there probably in around the 74. So got a fairly large range to work with going into tomorrow. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Always enjoy hearing your questions or comments, so look forward to hearing from you. So that'll be it for today, and thanks for viewing the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.